Okay, so today our group will be presenting about determinant matrix. Before we start, I will introduce our group. My name is Ibu Sri Murakade Rian Atnyana and is my friend Igede Deindra Dwija Puri Diasta. Okay, so let's start with the matrix. So the matrix are the ordered rectangular array of numbers which are used to express linear equations. A matrix has rows and columns. We can also perform the mathematical operations on matrices such as addition, subtraction, multiplication of matrix. Suppose the number of rows is m and columns is n, then the matrix is represented as m times n matrix, like as seen on below. Next. So there are many type of matrix. The first is zero matrix, identity matrix, symmetric matrix, diagonal matrix, upper triangular matrix, and the lower triangular matrix. Next. Inverse of a matrix is defined usually for square matrices. For every m times n square matrix, there exists an inverse matrix. If A is the square matrix, then A minus 1 is the inverse of matrix A and satisfies the property. Its first is double A min 1 equals A min 1 A equals I, where I is the identity matrix. Also, the determinant of the square matrix here should not be equal to 0. Transpose of matrix. The transpose of a matrix can be determined by rows for the columns. If A is a matrix, then the transpose of a matrix is represented by AT. It's like on seen below. In case if the given square matrix is a symmetric matrix, then the matrix A should be equal to AT. Next. Okay, the next material will be presented by my friend.
All right, I'm gonna explain the determinant. The first is definition of determinant. The first and most simple way is to formulate the determinant by taking into account the top row elements and the corresponding minor. Take the first element of the top row and multiply it by its minor. Then subtract the product of the second element and its minor. Continue to alternate at the subtract the product of each element of the top row with its respective minor until all the elements of the top row have been considered. Next is determinant of a matrix. To solve the system of linear equation and to find the inverse of matrix, the determinant play an important role. Now, let us discuss how to find the determinant of 2 times 2 matrix and 3 times 3 matrix. If A is a matrix, then the determinant of a matrix A is generally represented using determinant A or A. Uh, this is the example of the determinant. And then MIG called minor IG, that is determinant matrix of A by removing lines I and G of matrix A. This is the example. And then CIG matrix called cofactor IG as the formula. The formula gonna be like this: minus 1 I plus G minor IG. And then this is the example. And the next one, I'm gonna explain how to compute the determinant of the matrix by cofactor expansion. Thus, let A be a k times k dimension matrix. The cofactor expansion along the ith row is defined with the following formula. like this below. And then similarly, the mathematical formula for the cofactor expansion along the G column is as follow. The formula gonna be like this, and then where Aig is the entry in the I row and G column, and Cig is the Ig cofactor. And then, for example, I'm gonna uh, compute this matrix. First of all, we must choose a columns or a row of the determinant. And then in this case, we choose to apply the cofactor expansion method to the first column since it has a zero and therefore it will be easier to compute. So we have to multiply the elements of the first column by their respective cofactor. The matrix equal 2 times C11 plus 0 times C21 plus 3 times C31. The cofactor of 0 does not need to be calculated because any number multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So the 0 times C21 is going to be removing on this uh, formula, and then going to be like this. Next, we're gonna compute the 2 times 2 matrix and find the cofactor. The formula gonna be like this. The matrix equal 2 times minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus the matrix, and then plus 3 times minus 1, 3 plus 1, and then times the matrix. And then matrix equal 1 times 1 times 8 minus 35, and then plus 3 plus times 1 times 15 mean negative 2, and then equal 2 times 1 times minus 27, and then plus 3 times 1 times 17, and then equal minus 54 plus 51, and then equal minus 3. So this is the result. And then thank you. This is my presentation. Thank you.